Guess what? It's time for a haul. That's right, a haul. This isn't that big of a haul. I've been collecting this stuff for a while. So first of all, there was Sephora Play. It comes in a little stripedy box, just like Sephora's stuff. This is show off and share using Sephora Play. And then it gives you like a hashtag. It comes with a little pamphlet that talks about stuff that I don't read, and then you get 50 beauty insider points. You can use them online or in store. That's really nice because there is not a Sephora anywhere near me. Okay, so first of all, you have a bag. Oh, and on the other side, it describes your products. This is like $10 a month. I live in California, so I have tax. It's $10.83. Came in an orange bag this month. I really like this. This is like, it's like a mango color, and it's kind of like my favorite color. Okay. First of all, we have a Sephora a Sephora All Day Hydrator. Hydrate and Glow. It's a hyaluronic acid. I don't know. I've never used it before, but I'm willing to try. Okay, next was Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask. I've tried this before. I like it. It's fine. It's nothing special to me, but whatever. I'll use it. Next is Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. It has a little glass bottle. I mean, it's heavy, and it's a face mask, which I love face mists. I just do. I don't know. Okay, next is Pharmacy Green Clean. I'm super excited about this. I love this product. This is a great product. It's really super small, but I will use every bit of it. It cleans your makeup off your face. It just melts it right off. It's a cleansing balm. It's wonderful. Next is a Tarte Foundsealer. It's a multitasking foundation. Broad spectrum SPF 20 sunscreen. I have never tried this. It looks like a pretty good color for me. Okay. And it looks like it's in an airless pump. Cool. I will definitely try this. And yeah. Lastly, yep. This is by Chlorine Anti-Pollution Detox Shampoo with Aquatic Mint. Sure. I love to try a good shampoo. We'll see how that works out. So that is all the products for this month, and I'm happy about that. That's weird. There was no, usually there's a perfume sample. Okay, next is Scentbird. Well, it's a pretty big box. Usually they just send their perfumes in a little padded envelope, but this is a pretty big box. And inside this box says hello, and it's kind of cute. This was wrapped up in all this tissue paper and all these like little things like this. They're just all over the place, little. And I thought we had moved past things like this. Yeah, it's cute. This isn't even actually that cute, but what I got in the box was a box of masks. Now at Scentbird you can get skincare as well. This is from Perlice. And this is 6 sheet masks. They're watermelon, moisturizing, and soothing. And they were the regular $14.95. Scentbird, you pay $14.95 for your subscription. Either you get something once every month, once every 2 months, once every 3 months, whatever it is that you wish to do. And usually it's perfume, obviously, Scentbird. But now they've been carrying some makeup and skincare. And unless it states otherwise, it's still $14.95. So I got 6 sheet masks for $14.99 from Perlice. I thought that was a pretty good deal. I can't wait to try these. Next, there was, I saw these down at Rite Aid. It's the Cake brand lotions and stuff. And I really wanted to try one. But I had so many lotions. I'm a big lotion person. But finally I was like, okay, I gotta try one. They didn't have them down at Rite Aid anymore, so I ordered this on Amazon. It was $12.18. This is a Cake Heavy Cream Soothing Body Butter Balm. This is in, it has rich vanilla, shea butter, and it's deeply nourishing. Well, I'll tell you something. It's really thick. And it smells like cake batter. It smells so good. Kind of a weird, overpowering scent. But if you're only using a little bit, it smells good. Next, we have this. I actually ordered both of these masks from Hollar. I will link Hollar below. This is the Forever Young by Pierre foot mask. It moisturizes and nourishes. And this was $3. I have not tried this brand before. It'll be interesting. This is the Naisture Cherry Blossom Moisture Hand Mask. I haven't tried this before either. Woo! There it is. It's $1.50. And it's an intense care for hand moisturizing and brightening effect with cherry fruit extract and shea butter. Everything has shea butter. So, everything has shea butter, but I really like shea butter, so that's okay. Okay, and next, I got the Avon Footworks Maximum Strength Cracked Heel Cream. I got 2 of these bottles for $15.95. I love this. I use it every night on my feet. Next, I got the Conair 19-piece Detangle and Style Kit. It was on clearance over at Walmart. I wanted a new brush. It was cheaper to buy this than just a brush. It was $5. You get a nice, it's like a cushion brush with a comb for detangling, and I like to use them like in the shower and stuff. A couple little clips, some hair ties up here. I'll use it all. Especially because the hair clips are small. I don't have that much hair. So, next, this is a brand I have not used in probably 15 years. Maybe 10 years. It is the Mane and Tail. I used to love this shampoo. I used to use it all the time. Well, I needed a conditioner, so I got the Deep Moisturizing Conditioner. I've never tried the Deep Moisturizing one, just the regular one. So I figured give it a shot. I got it over at Walmart while I was buying other stuff. It's $2.96. Next I had to open this up to see how big it was, because it was folded up so tiny with this little thing on it. It is the Equate Beauty Extra Large Bath Cloth, and it says that it's to cleanse and exfoliate rough skin, and it's about 3 times the size of a standard washcloth, and it's long enough to clean hard to reach areas like your back. Okay, I usually just get one of those bath bands, but I wanted one that was extra scrubby. And so I got this, and I had to open it. I do believe it is long enough to get your back. Like a bath band, you know? So anyways, I'm kind of anxious to try this. I just bought this yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. And it feels really scrubby. So that'll be nice. That was $3.33. And then last we got Hawaiian Tropical Lip Balm with an SPF of 45. This was $1.97. I haven't tried it. Obviously, it's still in the package. But at SPF of 45, I'm anxious to try. My lips get really affected in the summertime if I'm outside. I get really affected in the summertime if I'm really outside because I don't react well to the sun. Let's just say that. I turn red. I burn. It's horrible. Okay, so today's haul was Today's haul was $71.67. Now, if you're unaware, you haven't been watching or whatever, I do a Bob series where it's beauties on a budget. A whole bunch of people doing this. And I'm trying, my personal goal, everybody has their own goal. My personal goal is to use more than I spend. And I think that's perfectly feasible because last time my previous total was that I had spent $19.71 more than I had used. So I'm real close to breaking even. So now my year to date with this haul is that I have spent $91.38 more than I have used. We can balance that out. Not bad. You know, we're towards the end of the month. I'm going to be adding up my empties soon. So, that was my haul. I don't think there was anything extravagant in any of that haul. Everything seems to be reasonable. So, if you want to continue following me on this journey, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!